Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're featuring one of the cutest pages inside my brand new colouring book, Happy Jungle, Lion-Hearted Colouring Book, available on Amazon right now. The link is in the description if you want your own copy. And while I add colour to this adorable frog, I'm going to share amazing frog facts you probably never knew. Let's hop right in. While I lay down the first layer of green, here's our first fun fact. Frog fun fact number 1. Frogs don't drink water like we do. They absorb water through their skin, using something called a drink. Patch on their belly. This frog page is straight from the Happy Jungle, Lion-Hearted Colouring Book, which is filled with jungle animals like lions, elephants, tigers, giraffes, and of course, cute frogs like this one. Whether you're colouring for stress relief or with your kids, the designs are bold, joyful, and easy to colour. Frog fun fact number 2. Frogs can actually breathe through their skin underwater. They basically have built-in snorkel superpowers. As I add a little shading to make this frog pop, here's another cool one. Frog fun fact number 3. A group of frogs is called an army. Yes, an army of frogs. Imagine walking into the jungle and meeting a whole frog battalion. Frog fun fact number 4. Frogs have incredible vision. Their eyes can see in almost every direction at once without moving their heads. They're always on bug detection mode. And don't forget, this exact page is inside the Happy Jungle, Lion-Hearted Colouring Book, available now. The Amazon link is right in the description below. Now I'm adding some gold tones to the eyes, because frog eyes are some of the most unique in the animal kingdom. Frog fun fact number 5. Frogs' eyes help them swallow food. When they blink, their eyes push downward to help force insects into their stomachs. Wild, right? Frog fun fact number 6. The world's smallest frog is the size of a housefly, while the largest, the Goliath frog, can grow over 12 inches, long and weigh more than a newborn baby. Frog fun. Fact number 7. Some frogs change colors depending on temperature, light or mood. Mini mood rings with legs. As I add some finishing touches around this frog, here's one more. Frog fun fact number 8. Frogs existed long before dinosaurs. They've been on Earth for over 200 million years. This makes them one of the oldest survivors in the animal kingdom. Just like the timeless jungle vibes inside Happy Jungle, Lion-Hearted Colouring Book. And that's our frog. If you loved learning these fun frog facts while watching me colour, make sure to hit like and subscribe. If you want this exact page and dozens more uplifting, joyful jungle animals, the Happy Jungle, Lion-Hearted Colouring Book is available right now on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. And remember, stay creative, stay positive, and stay lion-hearted.